Maintain communication with your students through automated actions and messages. You can inform them about updates on their learning progress via multiple communication channels: email, Viber, SMS, and chatbots. You can create an automated flow directly from the Courses section by clicking Create Flow, or from the Automation section by clicking Create Flow. At the start, set the name sender, connect analytics, and specify the unsubscribe page. In SendPulse, you can create a flow from a template. Flow templates include ready-made messages and connected events which you can edit according to your needs. To build a flow from scratch, click New Flow. You can choose one of 7 triggers available for the Courses platform to launch an automation flow at a specific stage of the student journey. The available triggers include new student after registration, new student's payment, course certificate issuance, or course completion. Other triggers are related to course updates, new course lesson, course access time limitation, or lesson completion. Select a course and set up the trigger to start the flow. You can automate the start for students of a specific course plan or for all students enrolled in the course, regardless of their plan. Then click Apply. Additionally, you can use triggers from the email and CRM services. For example, the system can automatically create a student contact in your email list after registration, or generate a CRM task for a manager once a student finishes the course. The left sidebar of the Flow Builder contains all the elements you can add and customize according to your automation scenario. A flow is built from elements, where at least one must be a message-sending element. It's important to avoid duplicate messages by reviewing system emails beforehand. The action element allows you to manage student data. Available actions include enroll in course, assign tag to student, mark as paid, change access time limits, reset course progress, or delete or jump block from course. You can also add elements to control message timing and targeting. Pause defines a time interval during which the student won't receive messages. This only applies to messages within the created flow. System emails will still be sent. Condition and tracks changes in the student's course status, for example, whether they opened the previous message. Filter allows you to segment students to send relevant messages. Goal is used to send specific messages or stop the flow once the defined goal is reached. Message sending elements allow communication across multiple channels: email, SMS, Viber, push, or Messenger. Once your flow is configured, click Save and Launch in the upper right corner of the builder. As soon as the trigger condition is met, the user will receive the corresponding message automatically.